patriotas son estimados. Nosotros, inútiles.
Yeah! Let's go! Come! Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Adelante! Come on! Go! Come on! Easy. Come on! Let's go!
Ah, bien.
Let's go! Come on!
¡Ay! ¡Tú eres la mejor puta que he chingado!
¡México!
¡Qué rico! ¡Ay! John, excuse me. Oye, mamita, cuando te vea la próxima vez que sea un poco más durito, ¿ah? And I mean rougher, ¿ah?
What would your most loyal follower, Luisa, say about that?
Who?
Luisa, the girl from Campo Mirada?
Her, a gentleman never tells, but she was a most wonderful... I just say she was increíble. Yes. Let me tell you something. I strongly recommend her. You take her when you have the chance, my brother.
She thinks she's your wife.
My wife? These peasant girls, they believe every word a fellow says. So naive. It's really quite charming. I love peasants. Don't you love peasants? I love them. They have such purity.
Are you gonna marry her?
Ha! Marry a peasant? My dear boy, don't be absurd. I'm going to be the next president of Mexico. My wife will meet ambassadors, kings, other great men. The very thought that I would marry some peasant girl with a tight gun and the hands of a farmer, well, I really don't think so. My mother, que Dios la cuide, would turn in her grave.
Interesting.
But come on, let's run. I've got an amazing present for you, my brother, huh? Yes? The man you seek. Together, we will bring them to justice. Let's go. Come on, mi hermano. This is the day we have both been waiting for. ¡Vamos, hermanos! My men will launch a ruse attack on the side entrance to the fort. Meanwhile, you, my American friend, will drive this wagon at the front gate and jump off when you're close. It's been packed with 5 crates of TNT.
That sounds crazy. How long's the fuse?
Just like I say, fun times. It's plenty long enough, I think. I'll see you in there, amigo. Go on, John. You can do this. Leave the army to us! I thought we were friends!
¡Alerta! ¡Viva la marcha! ¡Órale!
King on your mother! Javier! I just want to talk! Hello, old friend. It's been a long time.
Hello, brother. It's good to see you. I heard you was coming. You took your time, no? Come on, you're not gonna shoot your own brother, are you? We was family.
Yeah, we were. Then you and Dutch went crazy and family didn't mean so much.
So now you do the government's work.
And what do? You just work for a different government.
Come on, brother. I think we should go our separate ways, huh?
What you and Dutch did was wrong. And the way you left me was wrong. Now, I hate to judge, but as it turns out, it's you or me. The way I see it, might as well be you.
We thought you was dead, brother. I promise. I'm telling the truth. Besides, I can give you Bill. In Dutch. Dutch is in Colombia. I can take you straight to him. Hmm?
You left me to die?
Whoa.
To save your own skin, and now you expect me to care about
Whoa,
you?
You got it all wrong, brother. I've always loved you. Even now.
You never would! You could have been one! Let's go! That fella can shoot. Did you think... Come on! Yeah! This has to end now! It's over, old friend! I got you now! I'm taking you in, my brother. I'll let the others judge it. Where's Bill?
I don't
Where's Bill, you son of a bitch? Do you think I won't kill you, brother?
He ain't here, brother. He's with Agenda.
There we go.
It's a little late for revenge, John.
I ain't here to kill you, Javier. This is just business. Let's go.
Come on, amigo. Abigail wouldn't want this.
Abigail would have killed you already. She always thought you was a creep.
family, brother. You and me.
Like Cain and Abel, I guess. Leaving each other for dead. You're gonna be locked up for a hell of a long time. Unless they choose to hang you.
Put him in the cell for now, John.
¡Imbécil! ¡Quédate detrás de mí!
You don't understand what happened. It wasn't like you thought it was.
Whatever you say, old friend.
It was Bill, not me.
Yeah, and he's next.
¡No burles, idiota!
So you and Bill are back together. Two crazy men sharing a bed.
Go to hell, you pathetic fool.
Oye, cabrón, ¿sabes qué, Alburín?
Ah, you piece of shit. Don't be sure about what you're doing, brother. You saw me out. Didn't that life we had mean nothing to you? You puto. One day, I promise you, you're gonna regret this.
One day's about all you got left.
I hope you and your wife and children rot in hell.
You know that life we lived is over. And when we was living it, it didn't mean nothing anyway. It was just an excuse, and we all knew.
What I knew is that you was always a puto. And you're still a puto.
Marston, come with me. The army sent reinforcements. Come.
Yeah, go with your puto.
We have
Por
to hold
aquí.
the fort down. Use one of the cannons. ¡Maten a los hijos de puta! ¡Demasiado tarde, cabrones! ¡Hijos de puta! ¡A muerte! We did it, brother! El presidio is ours! Two old friends reunited. It is a beautiful thing.
Mr. Marston, fancy seeing you down here. I must say it's a pleasant surprise to see you.
You've done well, Mr. Marston. Now, Javier here gets to see how far the hand of justice can reach. Come on, you. Get in the damn automobile.
Can we assume one of my commitments is cleared?
Unfortunately, nothing is cleared, John, until your obligations are met. We need you to find Williamson, then head to Blackwater as quick as you can. We have reason to believe that Dutch Vanderland is in the area.
Oh, your wife sends her regards.
Dale, chica. ¡Cállate, pendejo! ¡Cállate, estúpido! ¡Ponle la pared! ¡Voltealo! ¡Quítate, estúpido! ¡Le voy a dar un balazo! ¡Quítate, pendejo! ¡Quítate! 1, 2, 3. ¡Bang!
¡Que viva Reyes! ¡Muerte
¡Viva la
Allende!
revolución!
¡Calmado! ¡No, para atrás! ¡Usted para atrás! ¡Para atrás!
¡Escuchen, rebeldes! ¡Escuchen cómo canta un estilo!
¡Otra vez!
Welcome to Mexico. My brothers and I are just discussing the future of our country.
Okay, let this man go.
And who are you, gringo?
I'm no one. But unless you want this town to tear you and your boys to shreds, I suggest you let him go.
And you think you can tell me what to do, friend?
Oh, you should listen to him, friend.
Look at that. You want to risk it?
The American is a drunk. If I were you, I would pull that trigger.
Put the gun down, Americano!
Ya, mátalo.
¡Dejen mi hombre!
¡Mierda! ¡Ay, Dios mío!
Puta Santa María.
So you want to settle this now, friend? Or you want me to shoot you in the head right now for that poor girl?
Okay, but we fight like men, not like dogs.
Thanks, my brother. Now the people are finally ready. Today we overthrow the Coronel.
Senor, there are prisoners in jail who will fight on our side. Can you save them?
I will rally the peasants, John. You go after the prisoners. Amigos, tomen sus armas y peleen. La
¡Intruso! ¡Quiere liberar a los presos! ¡Mátenlo!
Me llamo Abraham Reyes. ¡Únanse a mi lucha! Juntos podemos devolver el poder al pueblo.
¡Por favor! ¡No hicimos nada!
¡Intruso! ¡Quiere liberar a los presos! ¡Mátenlo!
Senor, let us free. We will help you. Jesús. ¡Bravo! Que Dios te bendiga, amigo. Ahora ayudamos a...
Muchas gracias.
¡Gracias! ¡Mata a estos hijos de puta! ¡Órale!
¡Abran paso, cabrones!
¡Van a morir en la calle como perros!
¡Gloria! ¡Allende sin pelón! ¡Aceptamos la barricada! ¡Gloria, fama y mujeres!
see where this takes me. Who do you think you're messing with? Now we're talking.
Go for the machine gun, John. We will blast through the door with gunpowder barrels. We will set up the barrels. Wait for my signal. Now, John! ¡Maten a los hijos de puta! They're running back inside! ¡Adelante! ¡A la mansión! ¡Traigan hachas! ¡Echen la puerta abajo! ¡Oh, compadres! ¡Aquí vienen más! ¡Están subiendo la puerta! ¡Defend the gate, John! ¡Nobody gets through!
Go then. I'll cover you.
It's Allende and Williamson. Come on, John.
¡Vámonos! ¡Date prisa, cabrón!
To the horses, compadre. We cannot let them get away.
Give up, Williamson! I already got a Escuela! Christ, that was close! Who's next?
Come on, come on!
me and get out of the wagon. Apúrate! I'm coming out! Don't shoot! Here, take Williamson. Just let me live. I will leave the country, I promise.
You always was weak-minded.
You're the one who let Dutch drive you insane!
Dutch wanted you dead. We all did.
Well, I'm going after him next. I'll outlive all of you.
You always was a traitor. You bastard orphan! All right, John. I'll come quiet.
Allende is dead! Mexico is mine! My people are free, and it is all thanks to you, Joe.
And to the people who laid down their lives. People like Luisa.
Oh, yes. She was very brave, and she will be missed. Who was she again?
Your peasant girl wife-to-be?
Oh, yes, of course. She will have a day named after her. Laura's Day.
Luisa.
What? Oh, yes, I know Laura as well. Magnificent girl. Like riding a pompous bull it was, amigo. You never saw anything like it. Anyway, enough about sport. Let's get back to politics. I trust you will join us in riding on the Capitol.
I'd love to, but with Williamson dead, my jailers need me back in Blackwater.
¿Qué hacen? Levántense. Well, I must say, I'll miss you, John Marston.
I doubt you'll even remember me, Abraham, but it's been an experience. Good luck with the revolution. If you win power, remember why you wanted it.
Well, travel safely, amigo. Vámonos. Hello.
How are you?
You can believe it or not, but I actually look better naked. Squeeze the life out of you, boy. We do respect manners in this town.
Buy some chips and joy.